Alright guys, Kevin Blind Look Mechanic here. So I posted a video the other day of the work I'd got done when I got the camshaft installed, and the nephew with the FU, the keen eyes he has, called me and said that we was going to tear it back down because I'd put the camshaft thrust plate on wrong. Now I know there's only one way it'll go on to cover up the oil galley, and I don't see me putting it on wrong, but if he's seen it in the video, then he's seen it in the video. So here we are going to pull the harmonic balancer, the oil pan, and the timing cover back off. Luckily, we haven't got all the bolts and everything, so it should go pretty quick. So come along with me, and you'll find out. Well, you'll find out before I do, because as soon as I peel it off, you'll see, and I'll have to reach up there and feel. Got some storms. All right, wish us luck, guys. So finally got my fitting on my 3/8 gun, so here we are going to peel the oil pan off of it. Timing cover. Find what bolts I got in it. That should have us ready to peel off. Well, I'll shake it real good to make sure.
Somebody's here.
All right, guys, finally got the cam gear off. That was a struggle. I've never dealt with one of these Cloy's billet timing sets. Boy, they're rough to get off, but I mean that's good because it ain't gonna come apart in your engine. But sure enough, I do have the camshaft thrust plate on wrong, so good to go in eagle eye coal. You can see there that one galley that's open there, and then this bolt hole here. So I was off a bolt hole, so it'll be to come back apart. But I ain't even gonna fool with it right now because I don't have a new fresh timing set to put back on or a fresh oil pan gasket to put back on. So, but we'll show it there. And thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, follow, do all those things, ring the bells, all that. Blind Luck Mechanic. Thank y'all.